Then let's go for with the first case. In the first case, we are going to, I will make the story and then you will see how it works. Let's say one owner or landlord is in our case, it will be member A. It will interact with a maintainer that is member B. The member A, meaning the landlord, has a laptop, creates that laptop in his Archibus. It will create a smart contract with Bruce, in that case with the service Asset Information Exchange. And then the member B automatically in his own Archibus is going to get the laptop working. But not only that, because this contract is made once and it is kept there until, of course, the life of the contract. And it keeps synchronized the information, meaning Bruce platform is not just to create the asset, but also when it's a change in one of the sites, if the other site has the contract of this Asset Information Exchange, it will be updated. And we will see that, how it works. In the demo, we will see these 4 screens. And what that means in the left side, we will have at the top level is the application, the connector, is the Bruce connector. In that case, the connector of member A that is hosted in that case in the premises, in his own premises in Frankfurt. And is the role of owner. And at the bottom, it's his own Archibus that is hosted also in his own premises in Frankfurt. And it's going to use the gateway that is hosted in our ASCHS cloud in Frankfurt. In the right side, we have the maintainer, the OSP in that case, that is member B. And the top is his connector that is hosted in Amsterdam. And in the bottom is his own Archibus that is also in his premises in Amsterdam. And also the cloud is going to be the cloud, the cloud gateway is going to be the one in Amsterdam. Then let's go to the example. Then the first thing we do is we sign into the connectors. And then the first thing is we have to log into Archibus of the member A and enter this laptop that I have been mentioned. We create a new equipment. We will see also an example of creating a new room. It doesn't matter what kind of asset we interface. We are connecting with Archibus through a REST API that has been provided, and we have been working together with ASC Spain in the development of that. Then we have here the members with whom we are having relations. And then we have in the assets, you can see that the laptop that we have been just created in Archibus is already in our connector. But this is happening locally. Now we are going to create a new contract. In the contract, we define which party, which member, in that case with member B, we add a service. And we have been implementing by now 3 types of services: room renting, work request, and asset information exchange. We're going to take the last one, asset information exchange. As I mentioned before, this is the open field to develop new options. We have to choose the asset that we have right now interfaced with Bruce platform and this local Archibus. We are going to say that we had the service and the information goes from us to the member B. We save the contract and we will see that the contract now is waiting for other party approval. From now, this is happening in the blockchain. This is not anymore in local environment. The other party sees that they have to set the asset. In that case, it doesn't exist, this laptop, and then they have to create a new one. After that, they accept the contract, and we will see that the member A will see also that the contract is approved. But what is happening right now behind the scenes is that Bruce platform has already, thanks to this contract, has been interfacing and exchanging the information, and the same asset has been created into the member B archivas. We will see that we have different coding because the coding is handled by the separate members, but there is an universal code for that asset that is kept in Bruce. You see there that now have the laptop for demo, the same. Now, as I said, we are going to keep, as far we have, we are going to change the description in the side of the owner. And we got laptop for demo of Bruce platform. We add this Bruce platform, we save, and without any kind of action, we will see that has been created a new transaction. And this transaction is the asset information exchange type, and is that we have been changing just the description, nothing else. But that could happen with any other field that are inside of the standards of Bruce. And actually, we have been keeping very much the same concepts that are in Archivas right now. Then you see that this transaction is also in the side of the member B. And if we check in members B Archivas, then you will see that this has been already updated. And everything in an automatic way.